Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? Welcome back in online geography class. So student, today we will continue our chapter 4, the world of the oceans, and we will read its section 2, relief of the ocean floor. Like the land surface, the floors or beds of seas and oceans are rocky and have a variety of relief. So they have major relief features like continental ocean, continental slope, ocean ridge, ocean trench, ocean basin, seamount, and coral reef. So if you observe the picture that is in front of your screen, you can see these relief features that we can found on the ocean floor. These are continental shelf, continental slope, river, shoreline, beach, magma, and many other features. So first of all, we will read about the continental shelf. What are the continental shelves? These are like a shelf, and we can find these shelves under the sea. And it always extends under the sea. It is shallow part of the sea. It is slow, and it extends a few of 200 of kilometers. Whenever we want to measure the depth of the sea, we use a terminology fathoms. So the depth of the sea is always measured in the fathoms. And the continental shelf is the best zone for marine vegetation and plankton. This is the zone from where the fish can take their food. So plankton is the place where the fish can find the food. After that we will read about the continental slope. So to know the continental slope, we will see that when the continental shelf falls very sharply, the continental slope came into existence. Continental slopes are the steep slopes, and these are called sea cliffs. Their depth are not equal, their depth are varies, and there depends on the areas. Like on some areas, the depths are more steeper rather than the other area, and these cliffs are very narrow. The third feature is ocean ridge. Ocean ridges are like mountains. We can say that these are the mountain range that we can found in the sea. And these mountains exist at the center of the ocean. How these mountains came into existence? When the tectonic plates under the sea move, these ridges came into existence, and we can find these at the mid of Atlantic Ocean ridge. And it is called that these mountains or ridges are the weakest part of the ocean because they are came into existence because of the movement of the tectonic plates, and because of these movements the volcanic activities can take place in these ridges. And when the volcanic activities are taking place in the ridges, these are called earthquakes and tsunamis. The fourth feature of the ocean bed is ocean floor or ocean bed is ocean trench. As you know what is a trench, this is the underground part of the mountain or land. Like this, we can find some trenches in the ocean. These are the deepest part of the ocean, and they are came into existence in the result of downward movements of the tectonic plates. When the tectonic plates moved downwards, the ocean trench came into existence. These are very narrow, steep and vertical walls rather than the ocean ridges. The average depth of an ocean trench is measured in 9,144 meters. After that, we will read about the ocean basins. Ocean basins are submarine plains. They are located beyond continental slopes. Ocean basins are also called abyssal plains. Abyss means a deep pit. Most of the ocean ridges are found in the middle of the abyssal plains. After that, one other feature is called seamount or coral reef. Seamounts are submarine volcanoes that are found at the near ocean ridges. These are biggest source of magma. When the submarine volcanoes exist, in the result we can found magma. Magma are the molten rocks. Coral is a living organism. What is a coral? In the tropical seas and oceans, the living organism coral form a solid structure on the submarine rock. When the submarine volcanoes take place, a solid structure is formed by coral, and this is the living organism. Uh, Reefs are characteristics of tropical warm water where the living organisms grow. Thank you.